own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Yo, mi pa mbola o da pana me chumo ko pa cho do eso na mi va pe ba ti pa indi ono pa ko je pa to ni magwenya ga weso dom na mi va ba to ha me chumo ko pa cho da pa mi ka tam to ya no view ke da mi pa che ro ma ba o chu pe na wona no na pe di to ni magbo e do weso na mi va ba to ha me ke abale ke mi na ye pli mi ona ta ni mi cho na ko ma ka pa ajo mi amo ke mi pa che ro ma +233 242-670-773. Enye nom baya ikemizana ko wana tameda kana mi aleke be ni le de kawo me bakli yo ke macho mo kwa cho ade aleke wana no ke atwe mi jago mo motivational message mi o ke pata ke na mi sorangwa mi na renji ona nyakwa nu yo kanya nyado to chu ka karanya pa ya pa no katachi ni nada ko ha ka pona nu kawe nye nyado to ka karanya pa nyado to ba no kata mejita na mami abato ha okay yo kanya so na ba ko ki nya pa motivational message alo se dua menya. All right, so next we have a motivational message left my mistake. Trust is like an eraser. It gets smaller and smaller after every mistake. Trust is like an eraser or an eraser. That your feet go to eraser or eraser. It gets smaller and smaller after every mistake. Yenye nika makwacho reposi kama chube nyakwela trust. Kakari javya marana kari jiwa lo kakari jaro la eraser. Eti ya punko kobo emilo di ma pencil ke michono nomi. Tamo mi na chine pensa mi dune ko bona to ya kono ke yo me bianye eraser chi ke ko tutuna mi plan le fio sha yo sana ke amago blombe afia marana kari jiwa to shako akari jiwa very trust is like an eraser. It gets smaller and smaller after every mistake. Ne shai ko pochocho, shai ko dadafu, shai ko natafu, shai ko pochocho na nomu, shai ko dadafu, alafo dada mistake. Ano na be aleka mo kare miaje ano di. Onamba mia tem asele mia pe ba ocho ba so yo so mia tansele mia pe trust is a very, very important asset. It's a very, very infallible asset. So, number, Nyafiambe, Nyayale Kenya Pasono, Yapon, the Mona, Nana, Kakariji, Nano, Yashamana Karaji. But that's not big deal. Now, I'm a Kariji, of Admin Swimmer, Nanyan Kariji, my don't, ye, the one that you don't, ya for the somewhere. I think that's good. Good. All right. So, and then my niache back over now. That's a motivational piece for today. Okay. Kamia zona wako ya jujubano bentao ye na jujo kakachinya be mto ya jujubano ba. Michana ho video day la be bigbe shi be o ide jaba ba shaka ba to suwe miyo ke chumya ko to ma omo adare ya omo da miaihovid.com. Gaming Commission launches whole office amid support for responsible gaming. Gaming Commission launches whole office amid support for responsible gaming. Midbo Nyajojo Ekada Lafia over Gaming Commission Jirudo Ika Mona Chachata Dale Sem Chachata Dano Sem Dog Weeb Alogere Miapa Muganto Mafia. So the Gaming Commission of Ghana has officially opened its Volta Regional Office in Ho, marking a significant milestone in the country's efforts to regulate the gaming industry. So the ceremony was attended by prominent dignitaries, including James Gunu, Volta Regional Minister, and Edem Kofi Potosu, MP for Ho Central Constituency. The new office is expected to bring regulatory services closer to the public, enhancing oversight and promoting responsible gaming practices. James Gunu described the office as a significant step for the gaming industry, recalling the removal of the 10% betting tax and urging stakeholders to engage in responsible gaming. IA Apanga Esquire, who is the Deputy Gaming Commissioner, declared a new covenant with the Volta region, warning illegal operators that the Commission will take decisive action against them, and he called on traditional leaders and security services to support efforts to keep gaming lawful. Edem Kofi Odosu reaffirmed the importance, who is the Member of Parliament for Ho Central Constituency, reaffirmed the importance of the Commission's presence in Ho, highlighting its potential to enhance development in the Ho Central constituency. So, my gaming commission can you what the one a load to that the same alo chacha dada the same la chacha dada man same ni pemi babo i de lulu na ma de lulu ma posis ma ho 5 cedi show da de lulu ma no hana posis na ho 5 cedi shine e ko minimum ko yereka ma 6.5 cedi ho ma show ka ataba zo chire ala ba nyon drop mi chosa de mi ko shima ba mi awo gaming ma kama na semu da maraka ma jo dambo you know pilolo alo you know wari alo you know tuampe alo yo chusu suku a ko bit no ya ko bega chacha dada ma na semu da mata ya ba mgachi to ma jipala ba ye ani jona ba gaming commission alo chacha dada mo mi to alo semu ko chacha dada do ko pa logic ko fi anya mi na mi to na mongo marihana onani kaka Odosu ikanyemi yako Central constituency MP Dokumba ye enyo kaka ajeba miyako shamwa ikomemila anusem. All right, so that's what we have there. Let's go back to Wade.com. President Mahama to assess tidal wave damage in Amro. That's another big story. Egbe bunke kaka fuma egbe Pajim and Punka Lab of Shakia, Mimokone, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Bono, Amron Tommy. So I make it a Papa Yapamuka, Tommy Chipola, Honorable James Gunu. The Volta Regional Minister James Gunu has announced that President John Dramani Mahama will embark on a visit to communities affected by recent tidal waves. And the president's visit aims to assess the situation firsthand and determine necessary intervention. The president's itinerary includes a courtesy call on the Abomefia of Nono Duko Dogbe Street the third, followed by an inspection of ongoing works on the phase 2 of the Belekusu Sea Defense Project in Agaveji. The visit underscores the government's commitment to addressing the challenges posed by tidal waves. The tidal waves are, of course, significant damage to infrastructure and livelihoods in the affected communities, and the president's visit is expected to bring attention to the pledging issue and facilitate interventions. The Belekusu Sea Defense Project is a critical initiative aimed at mitigating the impact of coastal erosion and tidal waves in the region, and the project's completion is eagerly awaited by residents. All right, so Fumaji into moment you can achida more than me more on the Tukopla, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, provide I'm going to so I'm going to Makata Clado, Mimokone John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic, where Abunkawe. Mbeblo la mronto Africa your adi ke si defense project kenya gbo tutu aro pototora chapunchi fanya gbo mi la bi jama ya chapu a ejena gbo ke ofropo e ba gara ko agara mo ko mo aramo echiamure ka emi mfuma o aputura chapunchi aro pototora chapunchi le Kusunto, but a magic goma, and a by never Pujia, a Jibuya Fat Timako, Echo, a chafu, towards on a Jua, Le Amnon Toma, Mokata, Cafe Peto Peto. Camino Puja James, who make never am gone to Machipa Timaro, or that of Sina Pujoji, Vai, Noin of Macacula, Rovai, Bob, Afi, Joy, Fisia, Tovasu, Boita. Yema Ugai Nafma, Animum Rafma Waka, Wina Tonto, so we welcome His Excellency to the region. Aina, Badugana, Toby Sri, Tonya Haikanya, angolo kiko afiaga. All right. MP's donation accelerates education in Ho Central. In a significant boost to education in the Ho Central constituency, Member of Parliament Richmond and Kofi Potosu has donated a substantial array of educational materials to several institutions on 25th April 2026. And the donation made in partnership with Healthcare IT for Africa, a German NGO, aims to catalyze progress and development in the constituency. And the donation includes 120 laptops, one printer, 30 sewing machines, two toner cartridges, and power supply unit, one box of A4 paper fabrics for the Home Economics Department, machinery, parts, spare parts, four projectors, and 55-inch LED screens, which were distributed to Malco Calcino High School and Sokodale Lokwe. Additionally, Spring Elementary Primary School received 30 cartons of toys, educational 40 laptops. As part of an ongoing commitment to enhancing education in the constituency. And our core team, it is my sincere hope that this contribution will catalyze progress and development within the whole central constituency. All right, le miaba hochichina machanto mafia Richmond and Kofi Potosu Kenya member of parliament also tape hamanola na miaba ntome and kopita me alofare kablava reo bele printer new culture one of the moment of computer judge paper G le amoyo ko na printer pleto paper yo print na moro but home department home economics department in chi le projector he ka la TV black ata he ka o unana kofia na jana le clinchi pleto ke sukuyo ke buguma le nana mwenye Marcos Girls Senior High School pakle Sokode Lokwe Sukwao Spring Elementary Primary School ha ko Captain Omar Blackton or you can if you go for more school demo laptop to ye member of parliament them Richmond Kofi Potosu nyakwa tuame nicho ikebazu show. All right, me at Jaraju on Planto Fia Apo Nyaraka Royo Kalaba Jaro Aroya Majaba Mano Yadu Yak newspaper woman Abado Tanya Road newspaper Mashika over the day Kalma Tanya da Nemifilon Moko Yadu Moko or the Batro Natural Barma Mides Albo how it's Blackton Kabana Banya Kaya Zubanko Nemi Wokwa Yakwo Lakimia now. All right, ECG to provide regular power outage updates. Energy Minister Dr. Georgina Paul has announced that the Electricity Company of Ghana will provide periodic updates on power outages every 12 hours, aiming to improve communication with the public amidst ongoing intermittent power disruptions. So, according to a JP1 News report, the move is part of efforts to address the challenges facing Ghana's electricity distribution system. Dr. Jinapo emphasized the need for transparency and honesty in communicating developments around the power situation, assuring Ghanaians that the government is working tirelessly to resolve the issue. The minister's directive follows a meeting with key power sector stakeholders, including ECGs and NETCO's officials, to assess the challenges and chart a path toward improved service delivery. Dr. Jinapo stressed that the government and the leadership of John Dramani Mahama is investing in modernizing and expanding power infrastructure to strengthen system capacity and reliability. That be like John Jinapo no that time of my enya ju don't get a me kadi play enchi do woman fi go na chuchu fi go na chuchu afi komana ra ka mo basuna kari no shishi go bomba yo pole ke kari shichi nem to the matter you prepare for project of yon to plan to call the sugar yan klalo kadi the shishigana me no shishigana me karo cha ruke je mia wole ke mia po nyo kale mia fridge mo mia mia pa jachra mo mia blong kata nya ko ke nya wo we nya chat nya ko fu ma ro nya kwa wo ji dani afi mu la ba a photo wo ya ala ba anu tak ba me ple chu dom ka ko na kari do ba pra bo ke le me bene jua where that I have here and a technical team led by Gina Williams. Amuna has been tasked with investigating the incident and a report expected within 2 weeks. Security agencies are also conducting a separate investigation prioritizing the safety of engineers during restoration. And the ECG will now issue more regular updates rather than weekly schedules to better reflect the rapidly changing situation. This move aims to ensure public trust as the government works to stabilize the electricity supply following disruptions caused by the Akosombo plant fire. All right. So, much of my Mako holiday world, Ghana rejects U.S. health aid over data concerns. Mako, in America, Donald Trump, ke ubugumba kana baba yema lamasa bubuare ka America jibe ya wo plemi hoga dem efia be America ko jibe akere sebla maklimi alabe mia aku bermaro ika lamas yenami ta konjinya onya. Ghana has rejected a proposed $109 million health aid deal with the United States, citing concerns over sharing sensitive health data. According to Reuters, the decision marks a setback for the Trump administration's efforts to overhaul foreign aid. The proposed deal, negotiated since November, aimed to provide health assistance over 5 years. However, Ghana objected the conditions requiring the sharing of sensitive data, citing data sovereignty concerns. A source familiar with the negotiations stated that discussions were initially normal but became increasingly pressured, especially towards April 24 deadline. The U.S. has disbursed $219 million in foreign assistance to Ghana in 2024, including $96 million for health programs. The rejected deal was part of the Trump administration's America First Global Health Strategy, emphasizing recipient countries' greater self-reliance. Still, on data sharing concerns have stalled negotiations with Zimbabwe and Kenya. The U.S. State Department maintains its commitment to strengthening bilateral relations with Ghana despite the stalled deal. And Ghana's formally communicated the position to the Trump administration, prioritizing data protection and national sovereignty. All right, America do call $109 million. I talk about Ghana. The amata Ghana ha ejebenyami nyakwa nko American dono do kaula mule Kenya dola mule pleto re America ko aknako ke mia na nagawe kwaton yo ke ava magba Ghana anu preparing home to America ke the U.S. has disbursed $219 million in foreign assistance to Ghana in 2024, including $96 million for health programs. Of 2024, Kenya to Kokola Nana Adu Dampa Kufaru Moshijia, a guy America to Kokokora Ghana $219 million. Pleto Gaka. Ni kana chidu ye ya babamba yo magaka mo hogonye ba anyo ka sabla ro yo ka da cho shubo sabla ro ko da chi suba la da ana na ga bum shame ka jine na ko konju amo ho ka to chen to ka o chen mo ko to ji ko na America to ko ka bo bomba to ko no ro shi minya nke do ka ma ka lo bota pika na ka do bota pika na ka ma do mo ka ta yo mo chimba onye Chishina to come view, you put the Jeshiba, then you broke a more homa, or the Kermichumiaku, call a diapa, lo, me to Miaku, dia aoba, ikera Obama in America alona America uta ye ma mi ko ko kula ba ya ma le agreement maju ke wonama upon kwenye America First interesting name arinya kona wo na ya Trump I'm really getting okay. America First Global Health Strategy. The rejected deal was part of the Trump administration's America First Global Health Strategy, emphasizing recipient countries' greater self-reliance. That means program America First Global Health Strategy. America, na America. Yeah, America. Bang, 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 bang. America First. America First. Global Health Strategy. America First. Global Health Strategy. And Lamase Dudu Yiko Chochon Hikakatamba Hikana Apu woman Aka no way for Adam Hikala Magbeni Yawa America America I don't get that. Minyabo Obama care no don't be Barack Obama Kinamo to go Colorado America Ade by Democrats over leader my own party about the NCP Republicans who took up on over flag at your like and took up Donald Trump. Only Republicans, so Democrats, so young but also opposition, well, an MPP. Well, do Matorica Kenya may go to call Obama Care in health strategy and health program, flagship program, Obama called do the Tumamaimo. About Obama Joe make a gafa Trump Joe make a gavanya Biden that Obama Bajo Democrat, Trump for Republican, Biden got over Democrat. Kaka Trump got over via Republican, Trump for CDC Center for Disease Control, budget man. Center for Disease Control the party would the Flaman found you over the my COVID-19 corona Yodo Center for Disease Control or Gao of Ma allo you funded go cabo plus Amona Togotabio Namare Obero Jacobo Viarena Lassan Robiali Cochiafma or the Rafmaka Gabiaro or Black Alessia Financial Caramundo Mocaramundo Aka Eke Donald Trump vai che in America per popular here the baby manga da choke acorde to Obama ko to no lo suba on stroma un puncho to la yo to holalamu abu corona ube ka so mo la kwelo abu to mo la kwelo ame onye wonyara cho diaro ko chaka diaro basu to la kakame hikamu hi aka fuma wonu kumune fuma kumune kwede shiba Roma here dollar to China amo dollar for maroba monkeypox de to hala maro ke beto ba ho to ke senchila beto ba e ka champion ke sa fu ke sa lo jula ke sa ko ba no pleto ta wo in strong sha go bu to le abadi le ke nya kutani ube HIV nya dollar re ke ba ikana na medina ka kuna maimo akamo yon de to le ma para bari le ke wo a chika kawo ako kwedo le azia Trump baba yimaga choga Center for Disease Control ke Trump va didi gayo kuchora ne Department of Education wo igla Ghana Education Service wo to Department of Education Trump member machine ka mchino mani for versus ne chicha Ghana ro kuja koshira ba le Hilton Hotel ke hotel koshara le America takpara no jim ale dina fiani ma dina asa no jim ale Trump wa fuma planya jo kakala o kata playing chimo Trump no fuma Donald Trump America to popula so fuma planya ndala fuma beto afi chicha viare chuo versus chutu dadura mutu ego yam kere tipaka no mom fi security alo vito kuna chichama la fio no tutto no che era mutala and the two gave over say, Dublin, and want to Trump, Trump is a dictator, Trump is a rapist, to where Trump do no more and narrow a passes, but more than versus America. So what we are trying to access net America to come view to low income people over the Trump and G. Yeah, my graph, you got the Trump, you got that money. But you know, versus nine to Trump and G. I've got my budget at the Trump. Cái đã thấy những đại học cái lý của phụ nữ nó sẽ chọn cái này in các bộ cái America này người ta nhà một chút có là cho phụ nữ nhà về no he's not for that now eu cut funding for education and also school cái ina school để tụi mình chỉ vào đúng năng để chịu bắt con ta school cái cô con nào coi là school cái này ama bro alo ano shito ko school cái tao chỉ phụ cái Pakanto Onyamebo. So that's something that's just about that. That's world politics for you. Okay, Miguel Nyajojo Mamloma Ikenya Nyajojo Kakare Nyakwe Nyajojo Bano Tonto who Tao Dengia, the Daily Statesman. John Akwe's counsel accuses DRNAQ of prejudicing case upon Nkrumah boosts education in Afwase Ayrebi. Bono minister hot over smuggling allegations. Minority demands accountability over Dumso. AG witness testimony challenges prosecution case Edu Wahin trial. AG witness testimony challenges prosecution case in Edu Wahin trial. The Daily Statesman Yalafia Magbo Oponkma de Shirafia Eonia de Vitukui. Go Ponkma Yeba Untome, Le Afwase Ayrebi, Alabakbara Sukuvionchi. Bono top Untoma Jibola, Ihap Lafia, over Enchimako, Araba, O Small Champion, upon Yoshila. And we talk about Blomberg, Giroux, never na contact to a Niafa, Chupachichiva Nyanji. My poster side, or not Talafia, Dubois, but not Talafia, not of Lato. But the to be via Edith Ruby, or Pokua, a Duamua, over Leo Nyarolefma, I'm not to claim that. All right, so Miazorengo, Akbo, the custodian. Upon Nkrumah promotes education in Afwase Ayrebi, mi po upon Nkrumah takalefia, mi po sukuho plus we boboro lefia ha. Upon Nkrumah bare yo Ntoma, cha Ntoma sukuvionchi is a good one. Congratulations. Government owes power sector over $700 million. Minority accuses actual cause of doom. So, every bit of Galifia. Blomberg Giroux for $700 million. Jokari dog won't cheat out of Chinamilo in Yatapa, ye Blom and Victoria, over Yen Yatapa. From Dunso to water shortage, Ghanaians cry in pain under Mohammed's NDC government. Meatball to Cocola Blair, Jokari Chicha, Candle, Malashilafma, Boba Maroha. Ocho Gabao, Placeshu, the film, Jimbo Blomba, Major Rechichim Ghana, who hills Bondo, Major Rechichim Ghana, who hear the Kaika Galina with Chiha, Malio. Aladon Prayer, Tez, Bono Minister, over cocoa smuggling claim. So we go into that if we have the fact. Adamus Resources may face criminal charges. Minerals Commission hints. Magbo Isaac Tando, Chief Executive Officer of the Minerals Commission of Blomberg. Adamus Resources to what Domokata no ponyo wo proga koida pon the mbagmana wo ta wo to mo pa khojola mo macha chi shika kuma no samwenya mi kada Resources to wo itai yo ko the national voice. the national voice, Joanna Quay, and RNAQ jointly established Quick Credit, Godfrey Dame. Joanna Quay and RNAQ jointly established Quick Credit, Godfrey Dame. Godfrey Dame can you hope Sanyalaga Bukumba. Joanna Quay play RNAQ away do quick credit. Quick credit. Okay. KGL shows the way as a responsible indigenous taxpaying giant in Ghana. Okay, KGL over Jokana Jirua, our check on Ghana Revenue Authority. Check Yago Oko Nigeria 153 million Ghana city per check na check damima 160426. But you have a mila Bakabia check 153,203,910 in Ajogaika KGL. Hana Jura Ayo. NPRA's board Wedi Mensa strengthens Ghana's pension architecture. NPRA's Wedi Mensa strengthens Ghana's pension architecture. National Pensions Regulatory Authority, Juba Dobeke Bona, Dobe Shadik Joga, Aloda, Alfutumene, $2, Alomogano, Wajaro, Jujoho, Alo, Chichi, no, Blanda Plato, Wazu, and Shinesu, where Tomaga, you could have a good immense. I got the Anawi recorded to become the pension system and Katachi, Dogo Kataka pension dome. If it's younger, Kukunemi, Yamukata, who her pensioner, Mivachia, Yakuka Figaro. I feel what I know. More trouble for taxi truck drivers as NDC government implements compulsory road towing project. More trouble for taxi truck drivers as NDC government implements compulsory road towing project. Taxi pull up passenger pull up on Uga Faroga ta Funya ka Oga Jirua, NDC Jura, Boklumba, Yoga, tax of Wallon and Bokwala Jokako, Fiasa Moko, Nona Moga, Titina, a rough man who got you 50 pesos, 1 city, 2 city, a true Wapapa. Toll is coming. Toll is coming, according to the paper. No structural failure at Roman Ridge project site, Depth Traco. Interesting. No structural failure at Roman Ridge project site, Depth Traco. Magako, Stream site, Plate, or Olivia, Wobrombe, Magbomlaber, Horamu, the Depth Traco, Madam. All right, let's go to the new proceeding guide. The new proceeding guide. Rabbis take umbrage over new road towing charges. Say costs could deepen financial woes of already strained truck drivers. Okay, we go to Coca Fia, Ugo Blombo, Bogaja, Jokai, Morocco, Kabi, Monocom, the middle woman, Rosuka Copper, Uhogashu, Naruaromi, Uhogashu, Naru, Adeta Barrier, Okashu, Mutui, Najago Manaki. Trobora Nagahi, Kamono, John, the Fiasano, Mopaya, Bunyacho Galo, Tikino Chuchum, the Pulover versus the Jim Reggie Alawa, Jujibagawu, Kikamo Assassin Awuchan. Dr. Usafre Akoto loses campaign spokesperson. Dr. Usafre Akoto loses campaign spokesperson. Yandela and Dr. Usafre Bulomba, Marani. And accused self-serving ex post facto interview can change the fact, says Joanna Quay's lawyer. Republic versus Edugwa in the key admissions from Aegis witness. It is Ruby Opokwa Edumwa that contradicts Aegis case. I will remember Attorney General, Papa Antonio Matata Professor Sai. North Dying Tome. Chu Sanya Gana Chiro Paranto Lumber. And now Chore Dubwa Hinchi, Naiko Chore Dubwa Hinchi player, as a way of Choy Caponconia Edith Ruby, Pokia Eduama, Mavasa Somo, if you have Edith non via Cochover, Never do a resifuna and your before a one and non your info about them if you have a Yaman so foolish case. All right, upon Kruma delivers big on education, hands over 9 schools to constituents in 9 years. All right, people, could you upon Kruma Chicharo School Yaro Plesia Platomato over la a shake yoga unusota Bahama Baima to Sukuma shake you hands over 9 schools to constituents in 9 years. For shake yoga uno Sota Bahama. Abasota Bahama Yelina to Sukuma shake you a chona even to Amato. When men start steering Ghana's pension future with vision and hope, when you might have a yaga if you have a Ghana, you would always have a pension yauntia, you would already Sharon, among like Shigava no free more, Gamma vow, I want to host to what trade a stretch I'm what to tree, meters or some more, of Arbaya, or Runa two, I have versus why you chill. All right, Heath Golfers defies Section 14 of Minerals Act bent on killing OSP minority. Okay, all right, Miazorango. The National Voice, John Akwe and RNAQ jointly established Quick Credit still here. KGL shows the way as a responsible indigenous taxpayer institution. All right, I think we are repeating this. So, me as National Voice in Chi, as the publisher, and this is actually the new publisher. Lies and excuses of Adunso minority blows 700 million energy debt alarm. Magbo John Jinakbo, energy minister, no tatalefia. Blomba, Ghana gonna go $700 million. Yeah, Africa Jirua Ducho, Carido Poncheta, Juchina, Minojo, Mevivi. Catholic bishops open fire, we won't shut up, Ghana say. Catholico ha nola alo bishop o yokela Catholico ha father down Rojo Blomba Jiru Matem Jiru afoyo kumata ramjo ga sencho anya jibibi na ya lo beta marga ga cheba yo do dishigo aron kujiba o Eric Nyamiche ikanya chama shimano la Ghana ya Pentecost ha blob kisia mo ga techi dentara mo le to mo la ba to ko yo mo ne te ko ko yo ke yo chochi dentara mo o khodonyo a ho bobogo tokata ubupoto le mata hisia ngwe mo yo chikumuro alo hotel yo yimi ole alo swimming pool alo badun fufuloto me yo chikumuro afia mo anu tere fufuloto mafia de chitanu logo gbe ya me abloko usi doctor usi be nya to makanya ka nya ko ba dum reko be kabanto makahuma na loro kishi ocho bibla auto o maunya ora si dunya china yo nya nya be catholic bishop ko kwa ta sora promi marke patenaga yo miemo whip not Julius mourn your dying nation. Weep not Julius mourn your dying nation. Because Julius Debra no tatalefia maraga no o na cho Julius Debra cho we Julius be magapa dio magapa bibe to kai usi mere usi umabama mahohe no favine wotuko yika kukun ajochichi na kana tuko ye yomonyo wo basa se pro mi fafa anya nyare kamara bora America ke pa yamo nya tunyamo. Having sex in your car can send you to jail. Cannes one. Senyala Garrett blow a cho. Le TVG ikawas nyajo. Agba ano ama godom ala marifiano godom alo ara shiro. Yochi ba marano. The bottom le woman. God dodo le woman. A general woman lo alo chokon le woman. Kuono gala puno ena naga na imo atana na imo ala basel blobo marake magara ukyo mama coffee du alon do tutuku abo fu amanya fu no tane le fu mai na ram ru kyo chi alon na klo ye wo shim le fu ma na nya ba tutuku ele atai modo metro lens show proof in 48 hours. Don't use national security as excuse. I know don't pray to Bono minister. Bono toban to magic bola nyagal fi ano don't pray ikanya no la to motora kanen bibito ke kanya sama dua jri to ko so takba manora boblom na Bono top minister lo Bono ntoma magic bola bawore. Don't use national security as excuse. Show proof in 48 hours. Power outages due to policy failure, not Akosombo substation fire minority. Enya kanya bapak MPP tode kanya bapak rene sa nyajo kakabo kalau nyajo kakabo bobo o ber onyo chi o do petare parliament cho MPP to kum amara nya yo kulo ala isa gomanya bobo ba juya chi mona na mi propura banyak juara ke bila Kosombo mabifie ta dodo manonyi yena mo imala karo NPRA strengthens pension oversight with risk-based supervision reform. NPRA strengthens pension oversight with risk-based supervision reform. Da Chris the kajia le fugwa mapuma Chris Boyd mensa no tatawa ga fuma Blombe Domala Bubba and a number a shamaka bay pension gajom Toraushi do Jokochia Natapatum. Zoom line run 9 Cape Coast waste containers free for more than a year. Parliament fines. Zoom line run 9 Cape Coast waste containers free for more than a year. Parliament fines. All right, Miaka Zorengo, the Republic Press. The Republic Press. Yapang bolo by Bati before Diona Jim, Tony McBoy and Tatana one on Kanye Yapu. Ye Mikanare Miapa Nyao Majujuma, Hiniadu, Mal Toji, Yamapupa Toku, Garage Nyaqua, Yajo Yama, Elicum Chomia, Papa. Kaka Miakbora, Nanya Population from Moragafiam, Alba Nayoka, Hiane Mapuku, Nayoka Hiane Commodore, Nayoka Hiane Jojo Hoko Jumia Bocata, me Debocatama. Don't put your plus 233-242-670-773 in your number. You can attach and maybe I check up a plima. Kapu Jesha in your plus 233-242-670-773. Yo na temaza akono kama kapli gan shawi kana no rama ma khana kana na ma pe ta for 4 million. All right, the Republic Press. Minority calls for Gina Post head over past sector turmoil. Miga ko Gina Pona matata le fia ke en pepito blombe he ide Gina Pora minyera la do ma la ba ya ndo na mo na obey dare gara fiaro oba jwe bi la fiaro yo be de si ba fake chi u do ba bula me o ke ba re chi u do ma chi ba ta re ju amana mi ye na ju chi shindo Kwabena Duba in case 49 million Ghana City allegation falters under cross-examination. All right, and ya ka gbom lo ba Duba hini Figa $49 million. Ubanyamango by Marabara Safoyo Kajiru dog, Ikapona Mabraku, 50 black joke, which at your available. Join as a former dojo, that Oma here, Chirubanyago Chore, Ruahima, Oma here. Our pension confidence rises as MPRA rules out reforms. Africa's energy wealth, why good governance must power a job transition. Africa's energy wealth, why good governance must power a just transition. I take that again. Africa's energy wealth, why good governance must power a just transition. All right. Barero le fiao nyala o nyacho nyabwe junya chikle to da Africa tumam khosho le nyashi jo pleto amu le nyashi nyacho latriki mi mafia shai nyacho latriki pleto da yo nyapo nolo nyam go ko nyachi ale ke ju banya na bo ngoyele Africa nyakwe daima nyajagana nasalo. All right, Tama refinery partial privatization worth considering if structured as strategic recapitalization aspect. Tama refinery partial privatization worth considering if structured as strategic recapitalization aspect. Apare ma mo be ha ba nya la nyum to carry up nyam Tama refinery ami tuma mi ikanya baku ika o lona to do mo happy ba to na shinchi dani wa zuna petro plato to ma petro ra po alomi ra po ikele tema ba nya bo no po ji do ko nya ka kere bo ji ro mi o mo chone be ji ta na ora shi do kishi maro o nya shi chala o nya to ami kukukwera ranchi oda shema anyo jiruna be ye ka ko ya lo shabra chakama. All right, Ghana Gas engages Parliament's Energy Committee. Ghana Gas engages Parliament's Energy Committee. All right. Daima jiru sota bahama palo habobo ke onye MPO la ko chura habobo ko ro nyu ke daranku juya ike mikora ngi gas pleto banya u boblonga mi ke kona gas nyanja ule takwa ko mple mpiao ni ke do chumo ko na ga nyanya na mesi. All right, the Supreme Newspaper, Boyd Mensah driving excellence at NPRA. Dr. Osua Friakoto loses campaign spokesperson. Republic versus Edubuahin. Key admissions from Aegis witness Edith Ruby Opokwa Edumwa that contradicts Aegis case. Produce evidence in 48 hours or stop hiding behind national security. Another profiles back to Bono Minister. Minority takes on government over Dumswa meet questions over levy debt and power crisis. All right, made a daily gist. Mama Hills Julius Debre's loyalty. All right, Kokola John Dramani Mama, two of them, Julius Debra, you don't like a corner, do Lagatapa and Yauchile, Ghana, Nyaba president, but remember, Julius Debra, Yam Mary, Amoro. America would play like a try to boy. So, America who run out don't cheer, and then my Julius Debra no inchi, Mapo Yarafma, Mapo Esra, Mapo German the Pentecost. But back in Apada Solomon, you can hear Black, then Hohoba, Apada Solomon, the Pentecost International Worship Center, Trasaco, Beach Amaro. Upon Nkrumah delivers 9 schools in 9 years, soldiers kill 7 suspected Boko attackers. All right, Lieutenant General Williams, Japan CDS, Chief of Defense Staff, Soja Konato, Wanapana Bachi, Guamomantrero, Araba, Keola Motochico, Warature, Convoy, Allo, Soja Waro, the film, help Plomaro, Chomaro Coina. To ball guy in another book, while to book in a boga. All right, so that's what we have over there. AG, I do Buahin trial crumbling as AG's star witness testimony raises questions. I know don't break there's one minister over cocoa smuggling claims. All right, so Nyama Coco, I know don't break but Bono minister, but hey, Nyama Bomo, whatever, yo. smuggle chama na cho paro jingve along le di karo pajiba yo nya smuggle chala or nya smuggle chala. I think that's what the story should be. Adamus engages Chinese galamsey, says Mineral Commission. Non via le fia, non via Angela list ikenya Adamus top nonola ga yo nya le fia buklumba. Padio le Adam Mustoya wadi lo chana biaro we wa grase kundu kometa o defro but the sedi bano no cho minority takes on government but do so we still about that here. All right, so that's Daily Gist. The publisher, the Ghanaian publisher, Doomsday Crisis accounts Sombo Fire not responsible minority. NPRA unveils ambitious pension digital shift. Okay, over if you have fungi, computaji, mora ye yo choko la chono ga oram, amoko for tuma chono, jasanruno, chichi plus yo, no hoji joha, pension gabata, push, press, like, clicks, swipe, fungi go, mshantu tugaba no kashaga to fungi no tato, makaye la tuma. One other to my work. It trial multiple admissions by witness contradicting claims. Ayo edubuan banya chora ngulumba meka le nye edubuan ko like wa choba na banya da se fona jiru aboma fuma ba le bihomo no ko nya blagora se dubai free wager and big gifts BC candidates made in wager sandals. Wager job South Africa and amekuja jararoda tutupa mwalo je tutupa mwangoma now for paro sukuda for paro ba no to vai ko amolo tutupa for jamba ko for so santi tu mafiama be awo na mamu chum para kono de danso ha chum para kono yo toro. All right, Daily Guide. I think this should be my last paper. Daily Guide. Our focus office clarifies MPP Council of Elders meeting. Ofuri Atta U.S. immigration case set for June 15. Dumsa is back. Don't blame Akosombo Fire minority. MPRA digital system reshapes pension sector. Ritual Mela, he said we are also 2 robbers killed in police gun battle. Ajo Glevaro Kocho Tube of Fifi. Wo avukula bovito baoji wo chakalika ka bovito ka ahwabi amewulade nuola wame urameto wamare fito Jimda koshira balo koshira jimda koshira balo koshira dama batutuko mianya ba ufra tare bomba kanalo America chimlo afoko wanya lafia our focus of is clarifies the Council of Elders meeting lafia and Dumso is back. Banabe Dumso is back. Chico trova migas mama ke vivim NBC tola. All right, miapa mpola. Tony McBoy yenye aleta na wona. Le majiji moa ma a geranya majuju ke kausu ma hoto majuju. Ke no hoto majuju ai hetrokwa. Many my bomba, Yakan Acho, Yajo Drani, the Kava, Ro, Alawa, Nya Ajuma, Tony McBoy in Yana Tatanona, May Way, Mafa.
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African.
I go.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Không có về mà thì bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụ bụi ta nhà chú mà ra đi tuổi một vài nhà vong sự bất lực là
Oh.
những mà vật phẩm những mà thằng mà thùng mà nó chỉ có vụ
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya bobo yawa. Basi hasbena di dila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gara wenye ya nya fa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya nkurama. Wala pati ko nya ko katara ge.
bo mà nó chỉ có vụ nó mà biết luôn
Vai batakalo sugo. Ita biga dada fikramon tonto. Wala pati ka wa busielo weto fina.
Ire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko. Mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no no pla. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miaƒe dodɔwɔwɔ le dzodofita ita nye zã volatika mia dometɔ ɖewo hã woze volatika ƒoƒo dzizi le eme.
This Vola pikin. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chike dzraƒewo katã alo geɖewo ƒe dɔyɔƒea me le Akpulawu wodze ŋgɔ St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church tututu le xɔa akpɔ le old fashion le aƒoe ke le xɔƒoea geɖewo dzi le agɔdome Yellow House Street wodze ŋgɔ local rice dzrala tututu woƒe dɔwɔƒewo le ʋuʋuɖigbawo tso gbe tso ŋdiga adre kple afa va de asi na fie ga atɔ̃ ke le memlidagbewoa wodze adɔ gɔme ŋdiga adre kple afa va de asi na ŋdɔga 12 ƒoka na Vola le 0244 512 1450.
Vola.
Nina ne miayi, vola va senta. Afima mia pota yo la, nya deba vola.
E viva lo, akuloli le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domaru le fuda now. E chite padaka, o futo makata, mele to wonyi dewa. E ti maklo no ba, na ile vola heba senta. Ikele jengo aplau, Victoria Park. Afima na kodo wotu akame wa futo wo fukame fukame tutu dokata Vola Heba Center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on Vola
Kadon kwajiba Vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vi kle de fi o mo hofo wi afo
I go.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
không có về mà thì bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụ bụi ta nhà chú mà ra đi tuổi một vài nhà vong sự bất lực là
Oh.
những mà vật phẩm những mà thằng mà thùng mà nó chỉ có vụ
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya bobo yawa. Basi hasbena di dila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gara wenye ya nya fa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya.
Mesdames et messieurs, devant vous, la musique du régiment commando de la République. Je vous prie de bien vouloir nous remercier. Le sondage du régiment commando de la haine notre aptitude lui permettant de travailler dans un environnement de pression. Après 6 mois de formation initiale, le Centre national devant vous la musique du régiment commando de la représentation. Je suis le nom de l'organisation. Le sondage du régiment commando de la haine notre aptitude lui permettant de travailler dans un environnement de pression. Après 6 mois de formation initiale, le Centre national
Nunya bagama mainaude Ababavi komia fa Nunya bagama mainaude Ababavi ye komia falo Mamanye blenam Kembo ebejo le bonye Ebe vevese sebe kameli Vodidje popo dans l'îlot Ebe na tume didia ba me kwelai Na home hojwa amba kwelam loelo A vivant muona meye Betina po jena zomeo Agbe nika Someye nyalelo Nunya bagama mayinaude Agbe bavi ye komia falo Nunya bagama mayinaude Ababavi komia fa Mamanye blenam Kembo ebejo le bonye Ebe vevese sebe kameli Vodidje popo dans l'îlot Ebe na tume didia ba me kwelai Ne home hojwa ame kwelam loelo A vivant muona meye Betina ko jena someo Agbe nika Someye nyalelo
Yo, nyapa mkola mendapana mi be mi le kachacha ma me plim le we activity. Afi ma ho de ma chuchu bi ma aba manami nya be ke le nya o ma chuchu ke nya banto e ke ma jibe mia akora lo banto e ke ma jibe akora ne togo na mi togo to the kuchi ko wona ikeji Independence Day celebration le togo ike yichi enye mwike majibe mi akora konkuku and akpoba le mi apeti biojia bipo machi de ike yichi soja koko de alekele kebe le togo pe nono tata eje bipo togo vio pe machi de suku vio pe machi de suku vio pe machi de afi taflache si gocha entre bipo amalo ya pe sushi alo suku vio nu amanu ya roha owe machi de ke fofoto to gai kele togo le machi de le Ghana pe machi de me eha ejele mi apeti bioji ikemi po. All right. Togo enye nyanobi yo ke le yabe ushi baji afiako alabe Togo ho kishi le pejin ikemi le ikenye April makabe français mo ba frère or something like that for nkeke blafo for andragwe alabe Togo owe do kishi ho bazan Independence Day anniversary. April 27th, Independence Day anniversary. Ghana, 26th of March. Togo, April 27th. Ni choreka yabaigo. Ni choreka ni juragbe. Ni 27th yablomine. Blaragbe 28th. Egbe kuragbe. Togo, ema soja lema match dema for condolence yaragbe. Ufututo local moma ko soja yo liji blaka robelity alaye yo fopa odola le ibo e mo hin ke apo so sukuvio pa match de roha apo fia obla video sokisi alo socks afowi ye midona e mai mo bolo kutube oba for the karama ha nyama masuli mawili da po e mo class 6 shi le kare menango ke apo vuto to fopa yo do vuto to la fopa ma fopa ro le ibo yenye mi vututu plane ko match adam ha dollars or more mi obla shoulder level ya de match on shoulder level da ame okwa mi fia ni me nyane do chiao do sware ta chiao me oro kaka koko na po ame oro ko ba ko mi ne ya nya vututu ke mi popon le to go match de Ghana ko match de ta na ramba mu fun social media do amugo blongo cho mi Ghana de ichichi nto kwa maro batina yo dokra ka mari makomila abaga social nyala to flagarashi boba momo yo kafla albinos the kind makomila pleto. All right. Togo's Independence Day was marked on Monday, and that's big story trending in the sub-region. 1960, April 27, Togo independence, Joe Francais took over French Togoland. That year independence, or French Togoland. Sylvanus Olympio, yenye nunola na Committee for Togolese Unity, wawe nongo play your vote, chapa bike, but then aje. Afi oho independence. Ayi oho independence. Bami aba fi yo mo le tuwa bang. German dollar Germania yevo weba afuma ban le 1844 me. Ayo jujuma o Rashidu Konchi na British to French ke akpai ke British ho yevanya vota rejimba ke afi ke French to ho al français to ho nye ta na la bude Togo bele Ghana nchia gobe miape mapa goje desosoga able to cover your Korakaunia. So that's basically what we have. The area was German protectorate from 1844 and split between British and French after World War I, or the First World War. So the British Togola joined Ghana and French Togola became what we have as Togo today. So that's a very important thing we should know about our neighbors. Majuba, but Mima Dano, Najojo, Doya Wong, Yatano, Doya Wong, Messiabe, go Mima Concho, Togo, Lava Miano Vigare, the Togo, Miano Vigare, the Togo, Eshia, Udena Miape, Ajerome, Egba, me, Togo for the independent spotlighting. So that's what we have over there. Very, very interesting story. I like so gendarmes or some, with gendarmes or some, I forgot already. I love Beleti Ilaline. And that's very, very different. Very different from what we have in Ghana over here. So that's about that. So 1844, Germans came to Aniba Ekoyana Togo. Togo plus Volta region near Anibareka. Togo plus Volta region. Plus Oti, Onya Anibareka. Ka eke German sojourner would have shiny banchi ne French or Bakble British or fake British or Hoba Yenye Ghana fake French or Hua Enye Togo. Majiba Mahodo Chuchu Piare Mahodo Chuchu Piare Alaba Made Yamakoto Hiade Akofiami Maba Mika Yama Jujume. Pira kwa mika gire nyama juju ta madu juju piara hoge alwa mia to mia be af mia trova Ghana ya ba mia o mia ara mia no viole Togo madu bene ako kuma ike samia kochu amutibi e sha madu bene mia no vira ka dike le ahira konji ya samia kwa ahira konji me to we moga ke we really appreciate your input. So I go for a short break and I'll be right back.
Ago. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. Ibarat film logo, kakak tu pui. Tanya cuma traditoy. Pokoknya uang sepelek.
Oh.
Yang apa film? Yang datang matu. Masih kau.
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya gbogbo ya wa base hasbena didile nuna mfia koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko wi wonta nya nkura wa wala pati ko nya ko katara ge
bo no chiko ku no ke plolo
vai batakalo subo itabika dada sikremontonto wala pati ka wa busielo wetofira
Ire vola togbo. Yemo no chika ko mokpong jeje.
Vola chika no pla. Na zama. Fiva na kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa todo wala todo fita. Itanyeza vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu la hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagba wa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa badashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Nina nemiayi vola basenta afima mia pota yola nyadeba vola
Valo, Akuloli le food now, Alele le food now, Domaru le food now, a chita padaka, Uputo Makata, Meleto one you do. It's a Maclonoba, Naila Vola Heba Center, you can let them go upload Victoria Paka, Afima Nakodo, what to come, what debe ne ba. Come on. Vola.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vi kle de fi o mo hofo wi afo.
Ago. Oh, what is? Let go do it.
Yo, me akon polo me ta konami. Fifia kam so be nya gare nya bubu aroma. Balon kuti be no fonchu Togo where independence GP e ko. Ala be ehia me fonchu Togo ala be no po fokalo yo ke mahona. Amma gare ho me ko sanchu Togo. Ta e nya wo ma is an international platform. Eta mo fonchu Togo ira ko. Honorable ikale bonyenye Bruno Foli ikada nya nya ko position amachia mtoma kwa sauta kwa hamanola wezo
ayo azaranu
amake
fotoni nagara hawe eziko bien
apo video ke to kwa independence ke odu icho ichora go independence la bobo to kire pola le ke o kwa mu na le premier to match de da wo do plateau.
Well, I come in soup, no better to the Shark Club. Na lang ko rin ng instituto. I can English how we do Ghana si about colony. O colonize me. Na make French how we do to go to Takokoa. But my mama told me nyama re kala bolo konu de konu akpo to the cave then I know me the kama dejes in koti ke me kwebe enya nu ke ele Ghana anya bata ba obe movie viru akpo be ya ha to pobe bata ba pa so ni so be nu na de otu wa ukata odu movie enya la be akpo be doma enya do ikemenya am chao ya wi o he haru me Double one now got also like Ghana independence school you then Azoli at the matter of Berlin woman. Academy man broken over like one also on the Miambo, the Kong Muganarama, the equal man or Leo Toman and a man. I can't look at my Pobe, million of you have a Miamia le tie toriama, le tie neliama, where in Torayuma, Moya, Eticuliere, Akaba Common Popo, Ado, Apo Batana, Togo, Beya, Opo, Christian, Open Kakanbuji, a Vanakamajo. I don't hear this and I bet Tapamao, more that to put to Akama and Nakamajo. My common Popo Bolona, Open to Pula. Miento foreign asimbe be wa akpopo be be wona plateau na be ni kami bana be democracy alo bloni hama bloda na woto vivie be de talike Ghana la solidia de hana no azolidia ko ni do le
akbe yo enya ponto abele mable don kwenye 1960 April 27 year Togo kwe independence ka Silvanus Olympio enye uko nkruma enye amagakwe kanongo sesere ton afi Togo tenko independence kaka iyade ma iyasingweda iyade ma bade ge Chris Olympio lesiji jo mai mama ko iyade ma no siji almost 40 years afi ojoa efia agaba Mia chukwa Togo so yo ke va to na nya le Togo ni ya Togo bien na ho 45 years and below ba ya de ma ko na nya na zo ni ke mi ba do na de mia no viola fuma ba démocratie e gagner so mina so e blor ma blor acordada o do yi ke na ho de me ko ga ho de me ba mo no chia me ko blogger de to ma fa me ba mara ke na du fiaroji a hodu kwa be ba fiaro ko na no te ba ye kunya nya ba du grana Togo for ham se be amasse ko gome adai alobe ablode abale ke abuchi ya weji togo vionji na jomi ablode baja ablode ma na sumia shi baba aka togo via go enyo na you like it na ma so that's fine e ko nyanya ni ko dodora
aka ta lan kurawa na ewe vi ke ma chat kwa ba ino ko de chi ko vi ta na mo wara ka ma va ibi boya abasimu avec un bagana ne mi ko mi ko to mi bi ko to ni si ene bi yen bi ha broga amba wo du tipo endi si ha no wo du tipo ke mi ko he ya de ka nyu na mi ta mi nya ba susumu a mi bu ba he ya nyu na mi a hia ba to ha na ko ma ba go me ka ba no na ma ke adawi ke mi ade anya adawi ke po de mu li ni ta mi adi e afo ali anyi ni a hia ba blood the hammer blood and to go na ma la like na player na nya ho 40 years even 50 years kra nya simbe ya de ma ko na nya be ya wenye president aka ne player amagero ha wa do mbe wa a do ba si mu afia aka mo de mama no no be wa chia wo alo wa da ko na wo na mi are ko be democracy here and Ghana me people when we are that I be very popular parliament fear me abelo maybe no at the end figure no na me aka ko ko dari ke dukwa azo hingo
yo mi abona ele tohi achabu baro hala wona ta afi mi agere tunya tranyo tunya yo kenye nya ke kakaraka na kata mi chamo jwa kontoma wana de yincho mi serve honorable Richmond and Kofi Botusu gara kachacha ma pable NGO aro do paro albo banne computer mi serve na computer le mauko girls albo mi serve super handle sokori
springs
tamina kunchu manchi pire ko mkanya wona ma
okay akpe honorable de Kofi Botusu to go be so ta ko me imigere na le so ta ko me ko no be lobby ati moi ati akwe ya la pas zo ma o de kaple yevu enti ado UK onye healthcare IT Africa ike ya no ve Daniel Allen alebe enke odogowa na onya be suku aro le ntu amaya jibe wa peron arabe doma wona ma opanare suku aro le Ghana ne le kuramenye okuva ono west ha beje over alojaro le north alo badaji ha ke ona wode ko fitu suku ai ko pa tokole ko blonya aro le jina wale bebeta obe henke over ya mele mo kakele ko danyare ka veron na iwa ya be iwa tasime iwa be iwa wotopli ta ovana school muhanya do bagoma ya ha ta oyi dengi odugura benevalom ke toni gebelo te pa no subale bebe no subo springs honorable be yemeti ya we be wanye tidudu suku ko bopom yelo America le kaba asindo le suku nyama ehia yo hotiti ametiano to kuonye ta eto preparatory school ka wala government school ka our preparatory school in Springs Academy wala sokore lukui na jele abai wala chances opposite yata uko suku musosoro agbanle o developer musosoro toys o now computer Springs now computer o me blande nye laptop adudia o me blande be wako afian review afio ko review be toys so gaso avoyo review amoji fefe de nouveau ogana Springs Academy ke mi chole tepema ovagere ula sorry mauko ni geta kun na bukatia mauko review nyebe enye nyɔnuwo le ɖe ƒe suku eye ahia be míato ŋusẽ nyɔnuwo le agbasɔsrɔ̃ me ta dɔ yiwo wɔna le fi ma makpɔ mamla ame yiwo ke wokpɔ womepa nye wobe economics department elabe wona wo nutɔmɔ machine tso yevu klotsi ɖeka bla atɔ̃ be nu akɔ kpe ɖe yi ke le wo si ŋu ne le ŋku ɖe nɔnɔmetata ŋu akpɔe zi ɖeka be machinawoa wokɔ woƒe ŋudɔwɔnu akɔ kpe ɖe ŋu ta mitsɔ be ne machina ɖe ƒe part gblẽ hafi woagazɔ mɔ eye yevu klotsi ma ƒle bubu wokɔ part akɔ kpe ɖe ŋu zi ɖeka yewo na wona wo compare laptop 120 pieces enye Adobe laptop 120 wokɔ woƒe keyboardwo katã kpe ɖe ŋu wona wo internet ƒe ŋu woakɔ akpe ɖe laptopawo eke ka do dzidzɔ na me nye be wona wo míaƒe board yi ke mi kɔ srɔ̃na nua egbe ŋkuʋuʋuitɔ maganye be woakɔ chalk alo akɔ marker akɔ ŋlɔ ɖe dzi o eya ne nya connect koa nu sia yi ke dim ne la aŋli ɖe dzi ke ne wɔbɔbɔ etutui projector le ŋu wokɔ mɔ aɖe kɔ kpe ɖe ŋua eye nye si gbãtɔ be kpɔ mɔa ewɔ abe camera gake efia be ne mi le conference nukɔ da ɖe dome camera tɔ adɔtrɔ anɔ me sia me ɖem microphone le ŋu da ɖe bi aƒo ŋua ke epiki wokɔ mɔ katã kɔ kpe ɖe ŋu wona mawu ko board ma wɔme 4 eye wokɔ nua kɔ kpe ɖe ŋu be woakɔ agbalẽsɔsrɔ̃ ŋkuʋuʋuitɔa ayi dzi amakɔmɔ kpɔkpɔ ada be na aƒetɔ ɖe mo kutusu ɖe ƒe azɔlizɔzɔ ta ele dɔ wɔ ena mi nya be alɔwɔdɔmetsi aɖi nyateƒe alɔwɔdɔmetsi ɖi wo agbagba dze be wa translate nuyawo healthcare IT Africa dɔnɔ na mi akpe kaka mi wɔ dɔ wona mi nya be yewo dzo gake yi ma didi wa atrɔ va eye ne yewo trɔ va yewo akpɔ vocational kple míaƒe agbledelawo kple míaƒe lãmesẽnyawo gbɔ eyi ke wova míekplɔ tsakɔ ɖeka eve aɖe dzia woabe nanewo ƒomevi ke nye some simple healthcare gadgets wa meli autoclave wozã lãnu ɖe vɔ alo wozã nane vɔ kɔkɔ ame aɖe kpɔa ele be woatrɔ asi ne hafi woagaze na ame evelia ne ɖo teƒe aɖe wa aƒetɔ ɖe kukutu mi va yi ɖe Demi chip compound silver ya ne sa kɔ da ɖe dzo dzi eye wokɔ gas kɔ da ɖe fi ma ta nunya wokɔ nu aɖe me ke wosi dzoa ke efie kɔtɔ ke le woƒe nukpɔkpɔ ŋua ele klalo gake aƒetɔ ɖe kukutu si be enuma ŋkuʋuʋui nane li ke wozãna wɔna be autoclave eva na wo ɖeka ya ta yi ke wòna wo yevuawo kpɔa yevuawo be okeke yewoyi woatrɔ asi be kɔ ɖe sia ɖe dzi le eʋu titina me tia ŋutɔa me woadze agbagba kpɔ numawo kple pressure machine drip stands nu yiwo zãna woƒe labua yewoyi woagatrɔ va yewoava do alɔe be le eƒe ƒe nemɔ zɔzɔ ya ma yewoakpɔ gbɔ be ewɔ nane yi ke woata woakɔ akɔ ɖo ŋku dzi yanya zɔli wo míezɔ
akpe alright mia azɔre ŋgɔ mia akpo nyadzɔdzɔ ɖe le miaƒe ŋutɔ me mimata wo show ya nyadzɔdzɔ ya bɔblɔ ma no mi dukɔkplɔla president Mahama ele mɔ dzi mekadzi wo le mi TV aɖo me ma aŋlɔ ŋutɔ me do ge story ma le whowede.com President Mahama to assess tidal wave damage in Angono. Dukɔkplɔla gbɔna va ŋlɔ ŋutɔ me be akpo atsiaƒu ƒe ameɖeɖe kple ŋugbegblẽ yiwo ke yi dzi le aŋlɔ ŋutɔ me alebe afɔ yiwo ko dze be yɔɖe ayɔɖe afɔ ma ke dzikonɔ gala ga yi ɖe fi yiwo ke wodze agbo dodora atsiaƒu alo kpɔtɔtɔ atsiaƒu ŋuti mɔ katã very brief one mekpɔ newspapers wo katã ɖewo le kema headline and maybe because Menyale press secretary la let me assure and whether the press secretary is working with it, I don't know how you're doing your things, but not baba banami marikuku breno but in talepleto political communication, but we're talking about infrastructure. Then there has to be liaison. I'm not getting it. All right, President Mahama to assess tidal wave damage in Angola. The Volta Regional Minister has announced the President John Mahama's visit. affected by that's just a sleep. The president's itinerary includes a courtesy call on the Awamefia of Angon to October 3, followed by an inspection of ongoing works on the phase 2 of the Blekusu Sea defense project in Agaveji. The visit underscores the government's commitment to addressing the challenges posed by tidal waves. The tidal waves have caused significant damage to infrastructure and livelihoods in the affected communities, and the president's visit is expected to bring attention to the pledging issue and facilitate timely interventions. I'm able to Agaveji Oba Fumava area Maui problem. I can know over a Blekusu Arab around this time. Echi da more Blekusu da oje a potatory chanchi that project will expect. I think you go to more. Ako kwa nyano bio kama utoa nchia kwa nchi tamepa amu ka jibola James Bunu ya elumoji na fuma and media press everything attention is there all
akpama ikana blaba kuidame here banya ya at least to put the water region on the map be mi abe lola Ghana agava amgani to wala bane kwa nutu mo rekara kavia dele miasi tabe president anana mi attention about the kama anya mi ke wa nya be mi abe nya toto la wa alenku ba ko dama nya hama akoko ina ni no na leke wa traslam ba mi akata mi akui ya ke ne le kura wa ko be afi uvama na ba gere nya yama Agaveji to no fuare pem pe ke ba ime abe 2021 ono complete geri na be lori mo ike ba to do apapa vele ke no achapwa to agere achapwa da ebi lori mo ike ma do apapa vele ani te fa ma ko afwa ha ka no lori mo kulo jota madam we have a voter exam minister honorable James Bunu Kenya do wala eba mo Agaveji le same mo moto do tiple amao ina be ti ruba ao iwaje etogo mele achapo be babuna ta enye be ya be president na wa podo afiko yi vado fike do fike wa muika wole ba wa asito trade wa ka den meni president la be omani osudia bulu ne ba o ki trele da keni ke na mi anya achapo nye ba achapo mzeze onye afina Allah achapo atega mayen blue taika Agaveji Blekusu ntoma sea defense project oje niawa akoba miano view igale fumava inoha oje achapo ka trota robo magole na zigiri ba na nyamba na ike na ike anye anu cheniawa Ghana pa watu kata it must all be defended. See defense alwa chu kaka keep 3 points azo awaya plawo no one nema ke afua ba bojeja majole Agaveji Blekusu tome awaya kuje ku Fumavel ma awaya Fumavel so madibe any amanye president taji ko le mi on yalo every president that comes talo du brother say gava na ko le ko pere na du brother mo hawa ande kan 2 kilometers ha ko pere 1 kilometer ko pere kaka aparo bona afwa ba bujeje ko ban gbeguna anya ni ke awai ala ba do ko la we are solving the problem little by little ja eba mo vato yawo achapo ka trota robo mi tro la fuma ke ruta angogan ke egere ginto ba ke ire fantiawo ta ma de kuna ne ba du ba is a part of our national agenda we have to come bribola kata pe taruti wa anya be miano ame yo kele jogbe gaji ko popo o woyati oyanu yawo ame yo kele akwatu ha yo ha no na ma echi bala aju fa nyawa do na fo ala bebe ala be electric pole awe ma achako ba poloji amo ba ko we ma le chima amo ba ga o ba do kata eble ta ni ala kura pa ma hawa anya ni ke ne ni fu bluchia o wa mi o kata ne na ma plus sube amo kura ton wona katu na hora chako ame achako ma na o because there's a lot of defense over there ta ma de ku amen akomo popo ha wish mi abe duplola all the best adogo mi abe abobo mi abe togisiri ikenye anu obe fiaga ma tibe obe down the proper jedowa na tumo ya oji lo susube mi anu vi nyeto kwa machu jalkoba achakwa ho Sabo do Qatar.
Avaro Jerukoba. Jerukoba Chai, Yoga Ketafia, Jerukoba, Chabawape.
Oh, Makata, Chabongulam, Niawapa Mafia, Cha, Chimano, Chinon, and Afagavia, Jafia, Achapua, Pulo, Nia, Keva, Yavapam, Da, Yako, Block Dali, Afi, Formuji, Makata, Mira Pukuna to Pula, Pomiambo, Pada, Udo. We should be part of the national agenda.
Your message over about this donation, which must be interesting. Silvanus Esinam Chewubeli, hope to make it primary is on your list also, Honorable Edem Potosu. Robert, do this not man. Robert, that's on your list. All right, laptops. Mensa Wisdom, but the whole United MA school requires laptops to enhance ICT learning as well. So that's that. And one more. Christopher Ado Boy. But great job, Honorable, when the educationist is around, the environment changes. Okay, so there are calls, people are making calls, because if you have a criteria, Amaro, people want more over your side. Okay, Esther Yeboah Ajima,
Director.
Oh, okay, I bet you are forgetting the municipal education. All right, so quickly respond to that.
Yes, the municipal education officer. Me and Buffy feel like he can be laptops yao, print out, photocopy yao. That to manya elemi bo that meow you be in the next batch. Am I have na with them and in the next batch me a factor. Manya the director office do headmasters who have you here na laptop Ghana document give you our to computer system that you have you here as a cops you have your tolemia Freetown ME your tolemia the director of Talem the kepo abolua the cases is after a drama siamo the director manage the boberi then you the office honorable the Lashitolam Kenya municipal education officer don't check two for oh no katawa no me ake laptop you can be a na me do wall officer honorable electoral.
All right, me gamda wono parik me Dr. Kabaro momo pomne amapopa to here Kenya Sport Promotion Council of Regional Boss but operation mia actual nyare Kabaro le wono pare ha wodi do chimabe gakade godo chimabe akami bagaje gabare aleke mi awa chan ko amashama amashama ko wona ono Doris Ama Bansa in regional was very yeah. So a message the Cavaro la Fia Mahano, who Maho de Muchu Pierre, Albania to Chora Cavaro. Prudent Agobe, good morning, Tony. The president should go with contractors. He should not go and just promise them. All right, thank you for that message. Matthias Setua Fia, we are grateful to God Almighty for his life. We appreciate his love for the Volta region. So thank you for that as well. Then Mensa Desirable. So the president will be visiting my hometown for the first time. Blessings. All right, thank you for that message as well. Let me just take 2 more in this direction. Wisdom Gologaba, God is with us. I remember that Osumbo, I think you want to say spirit. Mr. President, JDM, Volta, God's Allah are behind you. Thank you for that message. Last one here. His Excellency the President, Issa Nyama. I hope I pronounce your word. Forgive me. But His Excellency the President was at my workplace yesterday at the airport. All right. All right. Me Kodumo Chuchu Piare. Because the Chuchu Piare, Matroba, Harris, Alifo, G. Agarechi, Alaba, Mia, Akbo, Enya, Daka, Varora, Tamada Casio, TV, and Miko.
Go. Oh, what is? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put. I have too much ready toy. When it warms, killer.
Oh,
the mother of fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
That Nabi Abraham, if you are a kind of lay, a party to point for boy hour. But the husband did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Bunny who went on Yan Furama. Well, a party for Yapokatara.
When not to go,
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica that the Sacramento Tonto, Vola Paticawa, Busiel, with us here.
Why you vola tobo? You man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
miapa toto wala toto fita itanyeza vola chika miato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to onaula masa
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu la hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Nina nemiayi Vola basenda Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola
Viva lo Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite padaka Ofuto makata Mele tomo nyidewa Eti makolo noba Na ile Vola heba center Ikene jengo aplau Victoria Parker Afima na kodo Wotu akame Wafuto Wafukaume Wafukame tutu dokada Vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva Akodo Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye fo
Ago. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Phú còn thế mà. Thì bà đã khuyến lòng lô cái tụi bụi. Ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tôi. Một vò nhà vong giờ có là kết là.
Oh.
Những mà vật phẩm. Thì mà ta thăng mặt chung. Mà nó chỉ có vụ.
Dari Nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya gbogbo ya wa. Basi hagbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gara wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya nfura wa. Wala pati ko ko nya ko katara ge.
Bo. Nó chỉ có vụ cái problem.
Va vai batakalo sugo itabika dada sikramon tonto. Wala pati ko wa busielo weto sina.
Mayira vola to gbo. Ye man no chika ko makpong jaja.
Vola chika no plum. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Miapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion la akwe kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola nina mi ayi vola ba senta afima mi apoto yo la nya deba vola
e fifa law akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now domadu le fuda now achi de padaka o futo makata mele to woni de wa eti ma kolo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima akodo wotu akame wa futo wo fukame o fukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye fo
Ago. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Phú còn thế mà. Thì bà đã khuyến lòng lô cái tụi bụi. Ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tôi. Một vò nhà vong giờ có là kết là.
Oh.
Những mà vật phẩm. Thì mà ta thăng mặt chung. Mà nó chỉ có vụ.
Dari Nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya gbogbo ya wa. Basi hagbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gara wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya nfura wa. Wala pati ko nya ko katara ge.
Bo. Nó chỉ có vụ cái problem.
Va vai batakalo sugo itabika dada sikramon tonto. Wala pati ko wa busielo weto sina.
Mayira vola to gbo. Ye man no chika ko makpong jaja.
Vola chika no plum. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Miapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashion la akwe kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa
yo miapa mupola me dapana mi be Dorina Magaho to Chichu, Yamatapanam, Talum, Benyakuana, Mia, Tunde, Yadunji, Papaji, Yahuba, the Kaikunjima, and the Harsa, the Whistle.
Indeed.
Indeed,
What is it?
Yeah, Mrs.
Studio, my group, sorry, me don't have cover. So, I'm not going to talk about what is it? Sorry, my bad.
I bet you, Harris and I, young man, NPP to a fellow which is in a chat on a fear. Afimia, Azora, Meconia, Cobona, in Yapa Junior, the Garatago, Fiapa, a Jupachi, Plamachimachi, Nkaina Chuchi, Nkena Chumachichimo, Gomnus, Salogoma, the Kelly Nenya, more than Yatuchi, Takaraya or Kataja. Me, we don't go back to Cocola, Montipa, district. I'll open a tapocane, chapel for and Babel, chapel for a bottle for blam over the plateau Mogata, Miss Aquaman, a Kalakana Glutu, the whole fee Camille, you can chap Malonga, who hear a car rolling, Jimian brother or Yakatami, Aloe Amonasi. It's easy to provide regular power outage updates. The Energy Minister, Dr. John Jinapua, has announced that the Electricity Company of Ghana will provide periodic updates on power outages every 12 hours, aiming to improve communication with the public amidst ongoing intermittent power disruptions. So according to a GH1 News report, the move is part of efforts to address the challenges facing Ghana's electricity distribution system. Dr. Jinapua emphasized the need for transparency and honesty in communicating developments around the power situation, assuring Ghanaians that the government is working tirelessly to resolve the issue. So the issue, Matorefma, the minister's directive follows a meeting. So the issue. Irakwa, Miapa, Dudonga Kapona, Karinya Bokumba, Fifia, Kabuya, Washaga, Buya, Yunanaga, Wakata, Na, Anya, Fike Juchica, Fikame Juchi, Jumachico, you Papa, Shabapaja Blosuba, Nishamiko over a Jew. Nano you Magarochimo, your way. Your Hamba Jumba, your Utane and Ya. Da Smoko Bijimia Torima. Mania, Bakebu Turania. Okay, Harris. I don't want to Harris. I say, what is the issue? Mamajiba education is an issue, but what is causing a Juapachichi? A Jupachichi, Nkatutu Twiji. Now, my fitofina minority and people on a panel where Jiru for $700 million. When I father league over a died of teaching Romania, Juage, Transformer Giaro, Nano Bina, possible Platonia, Catamania, Yato. Or about Jimapotania.
Ma, Yama Bulima, my Jago, my Goberi. Minority Banyamakata, Yamia call our IPPs. They are also in the country. After many minority in your PR.
Okay, my new recommendation I hold you, but I'm a packer, I'm a rose, I'm going to do a brow plateau. Now, but you didn't the Mago. Oh my God, Magacoji, which are the Mago.
Independent power producers, I mean, you can allow even to Ghana. In plan Jolo, and those Yatoa Adam, and Yabe Yadabaji Fema Layum, Kababiana, Kaye Fema, Paikabai, Leti, and you come and you Fema Beba, 700 million. Well, a beer babia, they came and Jama Chonia, or 12 my Kenya, 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 Juachi. Abamia no miabe minister ikel tuchinya utia ebuli miabe transformer gede wa they are obsolete. ECG abuli ECG per page in Tiakra uga bulibe yo 3,000 meters to do libre to come and to many do teaching the low current however akpɔbɛ nenye be eɖutuna edzo ƒe nyawoa nenye be edzo yi ke tsotsom míaƒe transmission station so míatsɔ be Gridco kple Akosombo wova ɖo transformer gbɔa eyi ke transformer step down eyi ke wòamɔ nama if it's above if the threshold míake magblɔ gbegbe ne gbɔsɔsɔ mewu 100 kɔ yina wa ke wohã tsitsi ge ame ɖe tɔ abɔbɔ ame ɖe tɔ atso kura magakpɔ dzo wo katã tso transformer gbɔ egbe ŋkuɖiɖi transformer wo li eɖe ɖo dzi atɔ nyi nenye be dziɖegbe koa transformer ɖo blona enana be edzo meyina ame geɖe gbɔ gake nu yawoa wonye nu yiwo ke mele be míato nane nadzɔ hafi míaɖoli wo ta ɖo le be míanɔ ɖoli vivivivivi ne lo ɖe le wòye gbogbo tsia enu ma ƒo mi be wòadzɔ wonena timetable egba míaɖoli heyi etsɔ eyi hã meli míaɖoli ɖokote ɖe dzi nye be ECG nɔnyi ʋuu va se ɖe yiyia eva hã dzedzem abe ne dziɖuɖu aɖe va zi dzi ko ECG dzo nyawo ŋɔŋa la mama bia be ne dziɖuɖu ma va zi dzia ɖo xɔna ECG wò dɔwɔla bubua ne mele nenema wa ke minority alo asi ɖoɖoe edzo ƒe nyanya menya mi ke nye be magblɔe NPP alo NDC nye washing machine ke meƒle ho nabonaboa edzo nyanya na be washing machine agblẽ menya be nye nye MP aƒe aid o ta enia we should come together and solve it alabe eyi woƒe ta dzi hã nane ƒomeviwo to ŋkume ɖe nenema eye wova wɔe abe yewo solve problema. There was something we called magblẽ ne be míezã dzoa va wòasusɔ yi ke capacity aɖe li yi ke eli for a reserve capacity nake magblẽ le gbegbe ɖe míezĩ voa nke dzɔ yena be ŋku bia na aƒetɔ dzinakpɔ be yi ke edzo dze transmission station ɖeka ma woawɔ investigation edze mi ŋuƒom kura Gridco tɔwo ƒe amegã wòatɔ ɖe akpa woakpɔ nyama gbɔ nke dzɔ hafi miezi ɖoɖi ʋuu edzo na dze teƒe ma nke na be dzo ava ke wòle kuku ɖem na aƒetɔ dzinakpɔ be ne report ava wòanye dzoadzaƒe nu eye mi ke miakɔ awo la ɖe zi te míenya ame yi ke mo ŋua míenya ame yiwo ke kpɔ vodada tso gake míekpe wo la ɖe zi te o mía katã míanya be ame yi kple ame yia yewo ɖo wɔ nu ya ɖe mía edzo ƒe nya li kafra Ebenyigba TV ƒe transmission dia ne dzo ƒe nya mele teviete nua míaɖo nyasela kple ŋkpɔla gbɔ wova nya yi ke dzi yim dukɔa me amewo ƒe TV wo gblẽ nane li ke nenye be wònya dzɔ kɔa ne dzo tsia mahama woayɔ president aƒe ŋkɔ de magblẽ be ɖe manye dzidzɔ na ya especially eyi ke yi ke míakɔ 24-hour economy kɔvia nka míatrɔ asi le dzo ŋu I'm putting it on record kpɔnɔ kple kaka ŋuti be IPP yawo efe yiwo ke dziɖuɖu yi ke va yi gblẽ dia fiafi bo kura míexem yena be once yi ke míekɔ da ɖe ƒe aminyawo kple tɔdzia that was the purpose menya be in the next state of the nation address míakɔ ta nake le nyamawo ta be efe li yata dzoa tsitsi ma is neither here nor there. Politics na ya meka tere dzo nyawo magblẽ hã be generational capacity ya eyi ke mía edzo dze Akosombo tɔwo ƒe mía wobe Akosombo system katã le wɔ shut down abe ne be edzo ava fi ke wòyina fi ke wòazɔ adzo yi gake aƒetɔ dzinakpɔ na míenya tsɔ ebe meet the press conference be 2 of the turbines have come back to life alo dɔ wɔm 24 hours amawo awɔe adzo amewo va xɔe tso teƒe ma xe dzi be ada katã abubɔ ava eyi ke edzo lia kura ku hili elabe amewo aƒe tum amewo ko hotels kple hostels kple nu ya tuma problem li agazu be edzoa edzi gadidi ta mía ale ŋku ɖe míatɔ dzinakpɔ ƒe nya yiwo kplɔm akɔ wɔ dɔ wɔm every number every 12 hours one update. That is a government that is apt. Did you read Sanamia by Yema? Child, Lukaman, Banyanke Dimo, and Joachi. Banyanke Dimo, who Afiasaba, Kedua Trova, Eke Wafa, Joana Trova Menyao. Akabonia Lumai, Coast of Yara Shula de Vare, Najova Kabawa, and now the Blanketa, Elebena, Navati generator. We must not go back there. That every 12 hours to me, I'm happy that Vivia is call some regular updates. One on Tutunami over Apple messages or flyer or and I'm to go. I feel any Jojo and Bafia do transform Alenia and Chofia do transform Alenia. Let's say, but Paul and Malero. Jiri kaba year container yoga evazunyale porta do buble to transform moment meet akle cable we normal takene la kure mo na area here yareva transform yamba to step down the power over we ta door pathology the la kure down like I said stop listening to the naysayers. Kemia coffee kemia akomia be junior that replace be man kanyen nyanke echo nya view bla titimo akabano the same level no nya yobon diploma anku in karami ngogwenya so.
All right, quick one of my Troy Harris over minister ne that she don't she resign ala nkaewo substation Tomaga, Greco Tomaganya, Beno, the young ha, eligible resign, Alabama, a Jujachi, many fifio, a Jujachi, local and Yogata Jim, many fifio, Fiabaduga classroom. I feel yeah, that show the minister should rather go quickly. What do you have to say? What? Just quickly.
My buddy. Elebegri ko magana jo abani ke jo bo wa wo to tupo atonyama akuma enye benye anyenya magana te boma my interest was obiastic charge ma chi benya no convenient jo do yi en ma je go be vivi when ma report aloma da fore de ma diwa eteteke wa ko I have to cover ta ni ke ta wo yan be Greco magana na dole te boma nyebe when mo na chama sha na po Nakulo la Sitia, Asiamania, they are not to la Siatiamiani. So many minister when you're here.
Okay, all right. I bet young Harris, Metro.
Tony, the amount of Benamabe incoming president, 2029, inshallah, no sin courage. Because the will know the here, 2029, I am no campaign. Yes, because. NDC indeed have proven us right. Then I can go Nobel, let them go Delaware, or one time, or don't give them much in our university to those days. Yes. Not only about no bad news on a canary. A phone year, who know the fear, we make our politics, right? Tell you refer and I go for Lula, politics. Tell our politics. And the prayer 8 years of Akufo-Addo, he came over over CC gradually, just 8 weeks. Throughout the 8 years of Akufo-Addo. And that was between June to July, and then 2023 thereabout. That time, I can view, I will be not all anything, I don't only do, hey, let's see the question of home. That is only do. About your put so poor. Tamiami Subere, go, whatever, if you they were coming to sustain a energy kimia because there na we no say na ma e fo e mo la glove odu fede e fiela e kakako vera me no ku dibe ya do e go bawa e be ke anya go to see we e ado onu menya last year 2025 12 January that globally you hand over 2.5 billion United States dollars energy debt corner and NPP take you bore power fiela NPP that's like 2 billion debt na but by the first very we've had to $2.5 billion debt. Okay, we don't keep lights on. Remember to 2 billion, lower, but don't keep lights on. We knew where those were driving. Because like we know where a jam make what on solve no swallow energy crisis. O yame ko de sibe kuma school o yame. Na me ko actual politics of Messiano. And the first thing you o pias when minister they didn't resign. Yes. If there to be some advanced nations, Minister Kwame Bene Tobene, President Mama Ninya, when resign for you must resign. At least they are there. I don't look my papa. Is it Kwabna? Is it before something like that? Energy of Minister of Power. He came in Mama 1.0. Came out of something so and don't resign. And that's the honorable thing I'm supposed to start doing. In fact, I knew where this man would not succeed as energy minister. The very moment about car trying very containers were not missing. I can't remember the economy. Meanwhile, no container was missing, and this man knew about it. All I'm not level container missing. In fact, over later, I can container was sold all the harbor, I can't think all displays way. Can you imagine a sector minister coming to tell the whole nation where I'm off a container over there, container was also and you want to Jolo. Then later he realized where not knowing like when to remember due diligence. You didn't come to apologize to us. You are still in office. Yeah, I bet doing some collective government. Maybe you come and talking about your daily. I'm a what I feel enjoying. What I feel enjoying because if we have no move with you, I'm but do very mal. No matter that I very need to know. Actually, because tell me Jamabu. I don't know what I feel like. I carry, I'm not sure. You for people on here, a lady. I bet that's on the letter. No bet. Can you feel I'm not plan wedding ahead? Because we have been that deal, I would like to, I would like to go. I'm not a week, I'm probably like that, stable video. Well, stable video, I don't say to be a weekend, declare that the rest of the bed. We are in a very, very messy situation. And element end this door. No, the first way to bring change, you must agree, you must accept very no killing a jila and your fault, bango. No matter where you fall to, there's no way you can find a solution. No matter what the coach. I tell you, we are about to tell you, I can't take a long let's go. No matter take it, because we have the same cells where the pre-receptors were attacking a tamo. And this is what NDC is doing at the moment. Ona, maybe excuses, one mila, by now, only 15. The world is been away. I had before I go into those excuses. If we are a global, what I said, great cook, to a sea woman. Ella, Matono, City, no, I said that energy ministry. Right? ECG boss is still at post. ECG is as culpable as Gripco in this matter. Oh, is it Gripco ne a Jolene that goes from going to Gripco a C1? Yeah, oh, so if you are saying need step aside, then ECG boss must step aside, the minister must step aside until everything is done. I can't match now, I took out the way you don't see what the step aside. A secular. If you are better, no, see you want to proceed on annual leave. And told last week, Friday again, you have not noticed work as well agreed to very by from this very man the Kivaila, either proceeding on leave. And the story very good at any propaganda. And that for that one, you must give it to them. No, autumn, let you go from Ganatoe or be a really big novel because create an ebe, go for an ebe, nata, you learn what I made step aside. Please, no, but I let me. This country remembers. Emachena and his talking already. Men are messing me young, Kurobe, retrograde amnesia. No be retrograde amnesia. I short memory, and now I do patch away. 2015, NDC don't talk over Tojo, have a medical stores, the whole nation's medical store. The whole country look, taking a mama chi, Camuena Mojeto. What don't come actually, according to cover a cordial over Tojo, their own Minister of Health there, start investigation, all the corruption, they were letting me, no check, no comment. That's how to me. And the report came January 2016. Don't talk a report. Yes, and this into by 200 million Ghana cedis. You lose the medical stores and you fire mela. So sweet. You don't talk me way. You do your hide your corruption. That's what you mean. And then be see the come NDC have power. You have never told you. Unyebe is not wella. Matam blobe the man who webe pisube agree do so ke jebo me owola abokaba. Because you have vision or excuse no. Matam blobe and not across the way nwe led hospital that lightly up. I think this light off did not start last week. To January make fifie na we see is as one not see issue. I will go phone. I gave you washing machine me. Ni kama kwa na maji ndio ndio kwa mama. Imagine kiwa shina bari. Ne overpower the doom sobly incompetence di. Menya MPP alo NDC careless so mechenani always almost all the time. Okay, we did not listen and that's why we are here today. For Tony. You know, we do which na kana to welo. Emi nyam yeki welo. Igbo wekolo. Over record wela mi boy. Egbo jameli eja preach over the hele transformer me do tala. Do so le eji what video me for Tony. Over an fear ozu anaconda bender. Odo kwa abatala. Kwa air bender, please take me fire bender. If you go anaconda bender, so be anaconda we. Over the never anaconda kile Brazil. Brazil kwa to anaconda. If you ever that bole under NDC, a transformer where if you are going to I'm challenging honorable on this show very. If you me après te peux ma tonko le transformer le relève. Te peux ma tonko. Allo even the whole battery, the farmer tonko ya be 3,000 transformers que we already done. Look of your coach me. If you transformer do exam. No chill like from 6 p.m. to midnight. Time is it all no transformer do there. I want to go to me. Look what you guys some time ago la.
Until like 6 p.m.
to midnight on several locations. That hey, do not transform the year anywhere. I don't know. Don't mind unless there's an innovation time, you know, like TV. All of my looking at say that you have our opinion. No call drone. Let me be able scare the plant maintenance for affiliate. You call drone 1.5 in government easy to live in the world. You call me to the TV station, radio station.
Hold on, Afumaya.
Not always, not always, right? And so it buttress their point. No problem. Again, my man and I going to be blue zone. That's a challenge. That I'm not challenging if you like the neighbor difficult. I can go and fly the drone and see that at Ukale. We must come together at this point. That's your way back away. And we must help them solve the problem. And that is why minority has come out to say, man, everyone has said, the debt, America, Iran, Israel, war, because, no problem. Don't tell me how I can't take them.
Mokambo, but like which
power, most of them, it relies on crude oil and gas. There's a the flow of crude to even Ghana. Is it stable? It's not stable since Iran toward to Strait of Hormuz. It has been disrupted. That they can say, but they know very well. But this is also part of the problems they are facing. But I'm not talking about Russia, Ukraine war, economy, Jew. Then you can catch up Iran, America war. So you do that. Can't talk about when you are going to give a bed, you may put bomb belly, you are going to feel like me. I'm going to affect me. I'm going to be to me and you can talk to me about you in a crisis. Some meeting, you know, we do better. If I made a timetable, that some if you know government, no government more. Please, ECG a boss about to watch and better and not kill a that age and watch me. Timetable covered. And in fact, I have the timetable here. This is what I can share for you. Yeah, this is all. The whole week, go do timetable out. Oh, my God,
I can remember the phone, because every 12 hours.
Every 12 hours a minute. And Ekile me yale bo aba na onya dara be ne egbe watch to the farm match onya wo 12 hours in report they give you. How can you plan our life planners? You have a whole folder for a whole week. Tell us, please sube Ekile file. Mata di manya matoma the notice is time, your work time. I can't know where original challenge 12 hours if you is that fair to us. I know go to if you don't know where no aka wa say ma be our usually like another man. That is not fair.
Okay, all right.
I can photo him. No, madam, 3 seconds. I don't want me to make on my list some of the excuses qui mettent on a sauf avec et d'ailleurs là off you. Et ben problème MPP ça voté aux zéro va tout ndere. Donc be over correspondent qui est dit là.
Ah, tu avais correspondant.
Ah,
on joue.
Wow, there are good list points on that.
Mais on l'a dit yourself à Kevin Taylor. Ah, mais il a streaming on Facebook. Ta eke amoda Kevin Taylor atebe and store this own is on. Ta Kevin Taylor ya towa.
After one points out.
Number 2. Over for take your Ghana gas. Tala gas supply now to abubu to wela disrupted. Number 3. Area transformer. That is one of the different transformer. Okay, there be fire grill. Roberta, obey a dawe, and over the no mede. I shan't tell my. I shan't tell any dawe. Oh, yes, we premium. Okay, exegaje, very do so long. Okay, cable fort. With your upstream challenge. If you made this total terms of sale, upstream challenge, upstream yeka. In ECG network. Over 20. And then when you read about the job, fuse the way the transformer, fuse the way trigger off. Is not a good place to be. Finally,
list man, like a list man.
Ah,
I will do it.
Yes. Last week, prepaid of many prepaid meter, I made different 800 cities. Prepaid meter, different 800, and we call ECG. We were saying before metal play credit, I pay our back. Let me sort of that 800 cities credit. And because these are all things happening under this government. And people are prepaid meter, prepaid meter, prepaid look, postpaid.
Oh, I never said
that. No, you see, okay, comments. Sam do message. Good morning to you, Tony. Great show there. Always fish starts to rot from the top. So the minister should be sacked. Thank you for a message. All right, Akbeni, see which type of people are talking. Were they able to remove Kenofori Atta and Adesem and Ajimamenu when they were in power? Nobody should even mind these people. They can do their worst. Please send messages without insulting, but make the readings easy for me. That from Fifia in a message. All right. Good morning to you, Tony. What an aspect. You should have removed the super incompetent Bawumia first to serve as an example. When he took the economy to 54% inflation and 17 cities to $1, majority of your MPs have also called for the head of Ofori Atta. Again, you couldn't seize the opportunity to dismiss. All right, so I think I understand what you're saying. Okay, next message. Essay do message Ramicho Dave. But energy minister, make sure Apenyo Makin get prosecuted and jailed. He knows what is going on at energy sector. I don't get it.
Oh, he was a board chair.
He was a board chair. Okay, all right. All right. I see insult in a message. I will not read it. Okay. Good morning to you, Margaret. Margaret, Imiankosem Chofika. Okay, better. All right. I'm surprised he's still at post after shooting his mouth more than an Iranian missile, escorting 1 CD levy on petrol, assuring there will be no doomsday. Looking at this recklessness, the doomsday started way back before the Akosombo accident. You see this
Man has caused the nation so much loss by signing those greedy take-or-pay contracts, which till date Ghana is paying for. Recalcitrant Mahama, check this guy out immediately. Or is there a deal between the two of you? His continuous stay in that portfolio confirms there may be indeed something between the two of you. You have to prove it wrong. That energy minister Gonya Magister and Yakata you say you are
I'm sorry.
Energy minister simply a message is simple now so that my news reporting. All right, good morning to you. My name is Dread. Myopic people, they should go and remove him. So why the myopic people? I don't get it. And I hope that word also doesn't sound insulting. All right, I'm ever going to Tosh. Please give us your real names, Tosh. So where is it? This we are streaming on the internet, and we're also live on satellite and more on a multi-TV and in 4 terrestrial countries. I need your names. So please, I need your name and take the thing seriously. So where is the overcapacity? These same politicians complain about it in the last government. We were told we were paying money for power we didn't need. Isn't it now we need to benefit from that power? Overcapacity or have reserve nani?
Buffer capacity.
Okay, all right. Okay, Honorable, I give you
First of all,
if you need
minute the car, a corner of Vinia, what blown the car for a mind. But any kind of power, it is looking what the power sector. He care what toshi the car for original. Two, Nenio Hele, a guy go plenty, and you Helen. A friend the energy sector. He can I don't could you be there one other he can do to tape bare opia peto na pobe eco do so timetable where you should prepare our own timetable. That was in 2024. That was in 2024. The end of the year, 2021, 2022, you solve problem. Well, maybe that was where the problem began. Yes. Yes.
That's the last year.
Yes.
Of the MP government.
Yes. Akobedi Jopanyadi and now Mama common popoya. I can't remember the I can't common popoya got there. Novia Benya Biago. Akobedi Ebba, he can be an affair, Bramaro, the ECT letter. But you are going to have to agree with Papa. The old ECT apply. I can bring the program, who kills me. He can, they are calling me a very new time. I had to travel up because you have a kiosk. They are going to do me around the wall. I don't call mobile money on there is an expansion on daily basis. Yet if you don't work with the
hold on 1 second. +23324, please. Number Kasama Mola. Everybody might put your number on the screen at your +233242670 773 your number Kasama for the guest message. So please let the number be on the screen throughout for at this part of the show because Amaro for the first time. +233242670 773 WhatsApp or text. All right, Honorable.
Yata Junior Yata Wiyabe Elevie Miata Baba, there should be some form of reserve capacity. Tana Maribiabe, Maribiabe, for Hamna, and Trikinians Azama. Even in 1 month, in a year, Yata Zamwakata. But was it not true? The MPP government, we have negotiated for power that is not being used. That they will go and renegotiate ta even Joey and power badge can no torture you are quite I didn't they say all these things. Kakebe tiwe afi ma ile nyatia na ni o hele ganu. Over 8 years in power ni nka wo le jonya un
Egbana bloga be do pa ma ko de.
Ba bia me de ma bia ma
e chi loga. Aka o ha me ma bia ba bia de nane release anele nyabas nyabo I me na do nyamanchi. Because eklo nyama obe Greco domaga do either no, but we are speaking to something. So please, if you have that press, no, I think it's a staff movement. It's an internal circular. Quickly, a staff movement. It is announced for the information of all staff that I have proceeded to my annual leave effective Monday, April 27, 2026. That Joria Domagane. Green Kobe, so in my absence, Engineer Frank Ocho will be active. So this is near April 27, 2026. If you have
it was on Friday.
Friday, for that way, I'm a believer. I just go majority. Kamachiwe ni nane bu nyamana na go so dem na mi leave o yaro do you leave if you step aside now. Put that up behind. That's it. Speak to that for us.
Tony. Proceed on leave. Over.
And the TV agila.
Tony, proceed on the English. Proceed on leave. I say go to Ghana. If they say proceed on leave, I say go to Ghana. Let PP timer.
No, but hold on. The news review newspaper. Obe proceed on leave. I wrote Obe ne resign.
No, he should proceed on leave.
Okay.
I'm quoting
directive that Kinyebe needs step aside.
Step aside.
That is what Jinapor said.
Jinapor said, in fact, it was a pressman who asked him. And he said that is for him to step aside for the investigation to continue.
So step aside, is it close to leave or is close to
the minister said he should proceed on leave so that the investigation can, and then they asked
no, that step aside and proceed on leave is the same, right?
Is that not the same thing? When you proceed on leave, are you having? And even Jinapor mentioned on Friday, on that Friday, as he's proceeding on the leave, his deputy will take charge. No, Tony, I am challenging you. Go. That he did that particular conference just by the power station. He announced that there will be 24-hour shift in the power transmission station. He said it.
All right.
No, let's not play politics.
So
now this letter.
Second, let's land on this.
This letter is saying that Monday 27, which is just the past Monday, Jinapor said this one.
Very well.
On Friday.
Okay, fine. All right, Harris.
Yes.
Clarify that.
Nokele is simple. I'm a Sammy government worker entitled to annual leave. If you better finish probably the school video, or is announced for the information of staff that I have proceeded on my annual leave effective Monday 27th.
To what? To when? No, Tony, let's go. Please. No. Annual leave have definite time.
Please. Monday. Annual leave, you apply for it beforehand. You know about it long before. Because I know advantage of this notice can be
No, this is an allegation. It's a very wild allegation. But we took advantage of it. No, Tony, please. No,
please. So please allow me because when you to the time we will be asking me questions. Let me say that I'm here proceed on all. When the leave is over, engineer, a drop valley, what you really are not happy. If I can Helen County, please again, For growing, just a very rich match now, and then he 2017. Breakdown. The other come 3 5 1 house questions. Well, you got an effective manager, the best out of it. That is an effective manager. Kemiva 2017, both Ayan Kuwe Blanc, Ecomed Blanc, Efeco, Ecomed, Obetikinaila, Nize, Kona Jogaratowe for 8 years. And you are giving us excuses. Excuse me. We are not interested in hearing your excuses. Solve the problem. Easy, go for Tony. Easy.
Okay, about your kafawa. I say you kafawa.
Maybe make a few bit too. Yes,
become your true transform technical capacity.
Photony. In fact, even in 2023, transformer replacement, 2023, as way back at 2023. Can mean anything new if you call me. In fact, no, in your area, make a Dave. No, two Dave Janshine, or branch, or left, no, MV. Transformer election, it was replaced just about 2 years ago. Yes. About. So I cannot come here this day to awake you. Okay, you have your name. I think that's please, MCR, this issue about step aside. Nyanya must step aside if you ever resign. And this just for learning purposes, not about politics. Let's be clear on that. Okay. The step aside whether to move out of the way or to withdraw from a position, role. So someone else take over. Literally, physically move to the side or let someone pass. Figuratively, to resign or quit a job or position. The CEO stepped aside after the scandal. This is what dictionaries, check dictionaries over that. To resign, so,
I don't think I'll be on it and say things I'm not sure of that. Next slide, Maba, we put it up quickly. Please. MCR, please, I beg you. We contact Christian Denmark now. Very important. No, not this. Okay, not this. Something else. Please check WhatsApp. Okay. Now, we are managing. Yeah, made up a major MC Stephen Adonga Bluffma transformer where Macbe Macbe never juicy. e che mi ci legia e mi tomo una giusta ma non che di ma via e che ci va ma che mi ci legia e abbiamo una pratica solo ma devo ci sono we don't want to deflect. Are you better managers of the energy sector? Let's end there.
Tony, na una dollar going where Ghanaians, me and Ghana video, they make totally not to the extent where the energy minister then he gave us whoever vice presidential candidates. Me and the if we say just because they are at their time the problem preceded that make a way a bedding the focus
these are people who are waiting for you. So this is not a question about MVP talk. Okay, so that's also answer it. Answer it without attaching me to that.
No, but the question you asked me.
Don't blame your.
You see, these are all political gimmicks. No, but when you are their better managers. If I'm a better father, and my children are the best people to judge me. I can't get government. At their time, problem and money, politics come over, Russia, Ukraine, war, now get to the extent of gas pipeline, we all bear with them to even ECT prepaid, we are not here to complain. We are here to solve the problem. When the issue came in 2013, 2014, we solved it before we left office.
All right.
We will solve it before we leave the country.
Amen. Yo amaro usemiambonko amaro to Facebook Mary Rolando do banami magona Mary do de fomabu ihado banama kwe Tina semianko to fodo medo ha okay Mary semianko to adenta medo bano Teresa semianko to la shibi akbano ke do semianko to flow akbano Patient semianko to before time, Kirako, 30 seconds. What up simply? What up?
Yeah, washing machine, blame it on you below. At the last year, gradual. My brother, to you below. Okay, let me tell you a 4 for don't you give me a 4 He said, my to enjoy TV gradual. If I go to Jamaica, walk up and go out to a pop out, feel a call, walk up, of them walk up here. So that's the I go back to so that we never left. No problem. We are all here. I tell me the bubbling. I'm a Samanyabe under MPP. The longest period he was sustained Kenya power outage was for 8 weeks. I'm a Samanyasibe. Yes, and everybody knows. Me hand over power now, and this way there was no doing so. No problem. 2028 is coming. So I'm going to vote for Baghanis.
Harris, I would you might young girl, and to be told Bruno fully in Yangala and Yapa sort of Hamanola, honorable, which might them Kofi Putusu, Miawa, there Buanachi, Nankaka, Mipa, Friday, your workers. Yeah, Eba, Copolale, Anglo, Rambayma. All right, Tony Maguire, problem that can be cut. Come in, bye bye.
Harry.
Maybe what is
The party communities were there.
Yes, it's a
Party communities were there. Harry, the party communities were that's not fair. The transformation.
He's ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own